In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your OneDrive subscription in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're simplifying your digital life or opting for another storage solution, cancelling a subscription should be fuss-free. So let's dive right into the process and guide you through each step. First things first, begin by navigating to the official Microsoft website. It's here where all things begin, especially when it involves managing your OneDrive subscription. Upon reaching the page, you'll notice a sign-in button. Click on this to proceed. Microsoft has made sure their sign-in process is secure, so you'll be needing to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one linked to your Microsoft account to avoid any hiccups along the way. After entering your email, click Next. You're now one step closer. The subsequent screen prompts you for your password. It's another layer of security to ensure it's truly you accessing the account. Enter your password carefully, and once again hit Next. You might be asked if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device and prefer the convenience, clicking Yes might be the option for you. Now here comes the part where we dive a bit deeper into the Microsoft ecosystem. Look for and click on All Microsoft, which should be easily visible. This action unfolds the vast array of services and products under Microsoft's umbrella. Among these, you're looking for OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service. Once you find OneDrive, there's a sign-in button waiting for you. Click on it to access your OneDrive account specifically. Arriving at the OneDrive homepage, you feel a step closer to managing your subscription. Now it's time to head to the settings. In web interfaces, settings are often the gateway to personalization and account management, and OneDrive is no exception. Within settings, you'll find an option labeled Plans and Upgrades. Clicking on it directs you to the subscription management area. You've now arrived at a critical junction. This section houses everything concerning your subscription, including options to view, modify, or cancel your plan. It's here you can evaluate your current plan or proceed with the cancellation. When you've decided to cancel your subscription, remember it's essential to understand the terms of cancellation. These might include the end of the service period, or any refunds you might be eligible for. Microsoft outlines these terms clearly, providing you with all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Processing the cancellation is straightforward from here, following the prompts Microsoft provides. But before you go through with it, let's talk about what follows. Once your subscription is cancelled, your account will revert to the basic OneDrive plan. It's a good moment to ensure all your important files are backed up or migrated as needed, since the storage capacity will change accordingly. This concludes our guide on cancelling your OneDrive subscription. The process is designed to be intuitive, reflecting Microsoft's commitment to user experience. However, it never hurts to move through these steps with a bit of guidance, especially to avoid any accidental clicks or misunderstandings along the way. Remember, managing your digital subscriptions is an important part of digital well-being. It's about taking control of the services you use and ensuring they align with your current needs and preferences. Whether you're continuing with OneDrive in a different capacity, moving to a different service, or simply taking a break from cloud storage, you're now equipped to handle the cancellation process confidently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, customer support resources are available to guide you. Take care, manage your digital subscriptions wisely, and see you in our next guide.